Let's address the elephant in the room, or should we say, the needle in the room. A huge number of Canadians avoid even looking at life insurance because they think it means blood tests, urine samples, doctor visits, and basically having someone poke and prod them like they're applying to be an astronaut. We get it. Nobody likes medical exams. And if you're healthy and haven't been to a doctor in a while, the last thing you want to do is suddenly have to do a full physical just to get insurance. So here's the good news that the insurance industry doesn't exactly advertise loudly. For most Canadians, you don't need a medical exam at all. Let's explain how this actually works in 2026. When is a medical exam required? Okay, so when do you actually need to do a medical exam? Usually in one of these scenarios. You're applying for a very large amount. If you're applying for over $3 million in coverage, yes, they're going to want to verify your health more thoroughly. You're older. Once you get into your 60s, medical exams become more common because there's just more health variability at that age. You have a specific medical history. If you answered yes to certain health conditions, the insurer might want more detailed information to properly assess the risk. But here's what that medical exam actually looks like when it is required. It's not you going to a doctor's office and waiting around for hours. A nurse comes to your home at a time that's convenient for you. They do a quick check, blood pressure, height, weight, maybe a blood sample and urine sample. The whole thing takes about 30 minutes. You're in your own house, probably in your pajamas, and then they leave and you get on with your day. It's not invasive. It's not scary. It's honestly less annoying than going to the dentist. The real point. Here's what we want you to take away from this. The fear of a medical exam should not be what stops you from getting life insurance. For most of you watching this, there won't be an exam required at all. And if there is, it's a minor inconvenience, not some huge ordeal. What would be a huge ordeal? Your family struggling financially because you kept putting off getting life insurance because you didn't want to pee in a cup. Let's keep perspective here. How to know if you'll need one. When you apply through Policy Ninja, we can usually tell you upfront based on your age, health, and coverage amount whether a medical exam will likely be required or not. There are no surprises. If it's needed, we coordinate it for you. If it's not, even better, you get approved faster. But either way, we guide you through it. You're not figuring this out on your own. Just start the process. Here's our challenge. Don't let the fear of a medical exam be your excuse anymore. Because it's probably not even going to happen. And if it does, it's way less of a big deal than you're building it up to be in your head. The hard part isn't the medical exam. The hard part is making the decision to actually protect your family. And you can do that right now, from your couch in about 15 minutes. No needles required. At least, not for most of you.